We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new Bradford white 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Up the top you can see, give you a new ball valve shut off, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, 3/4 full port, little brass nipple, and then of course a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. On this side we replaced the nipple coming out of the wall, 3/4 brass, and another Falcon stainless steel connector down to the brass extension. Relief valve comes with it. It's tied in, corrugated stainless steel connector down to your existing drain line, which drains outside the wall there into the dirt. Brand new vent pipe going up to your ceiling bucket. So this is all new. 90 piece of pipe, another 90. They're adjustable, so it's not a 90 degree. But anyway, so that's everything up top. And then here we've got a adjustable strap upper third, adjustable strap lower third. We had to put a couple blocks in here because this relief line was in the way it was hitting. So just a couple of spacers right there and then strap it. So it's nice and tight right now. Down here, new gas valve, new gas connector, and then over to your water heater. You've got, we're set at hot, which is approximately 120. Right here you can see scalding risk increases with hotter water, so just be mindful of that. EPA recommends hot 120. CDC recommends B140. That prevents bacteria from going in the tank, but you do run the risk of scalding. 3 seconds, 3rd-degree burns. So just, you know, it's your household. You decide what you'd like to do. We leave it here for liability purposes. So anyways, a couple hours you have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.